Evening, guys. Here we are. We're in Llangennith, and this is Hill End car park site down there. And this is Llangennith around us. And I don't know what that is. It's a hill. I think it's like Rhossili mountain or something like that. But I'm gonna go up there. Now, do a bit of filming with a drone. See what other delights we can take in. So yeah, follow me on this journey. Thank you. Nice evening for it, isn't it? Oh, look at the little babies there. Beautiful. Got a squeaky gate here. Not much of a squeak on that. Always close the gate behind you when you go on walks like this, guys. Just as that perfect demonstration was demonstrated for you. Hello, babies. Yeah, so you're wise to running away from me. Don't blame you. So we're gonna go for a wander up there. As I said, get the drone out. Hopefully it's not too windy for it. I'll be giving a warning if it is. And I won't be able to fly it, so hopefully we'll get some footage in for you. The views will get better as well as we go up. It's not far we're going up, but if you don't know the place, it's a tidy place like. There's Worm's Head. I guess it's called Worm's Head because it looks like a worm's head, but I can't work it out myself. But yeah. Someone drop in the comments so they can explain to me how that looks like a worm's head. Alright. So that's Hill End campsite down there. There's the caravan parks. You've got a beach which you should be able to see when we get up the top of that hill. Lots of sheep. Well, a few sheep, not loads. And yeah, just beautiful scenery all around. Not bad at all, guys. I think you agree with me there. There's Barbara. Hi, Barbara. Oh, fluffy sheep are wonderful. Oh, fluffy sheep are wonderful. They are fluffy sheep and wonderful. Oh, fluffy sheep are wonderful. So Nick the Explorer is starting to struggle now. We're going up a bit. Still a bit more to go. But yeah, it's not far. You know, as you can see, it's only a little climb, but it's a steep climb. You know, and if you're not experienced doing these walks like me, you know, it can be quite an out of breath experience, you could say. Look at the views though, guys. Look at this for an evening. Look what I can see before my eyes right now. It's not bad, is it? So that's Rhossili Bay, you can see out there. And then, as you can see, that past that little island, over to your right hand side, that's the Locha estuary. And it goes further upstream, and then it's the Locha River then. But if you look over there, you can see the houses just in the distance. I hope you can see, that's Llanelli. And then you've got Berryport, and then you've got proper West Wales then on the horizon as you go out. See, with me, you just thought you got a load of twaddle, but you get facts as well, guys, alright? So let's keep marching on, shall we? Let's keep marching on to the top. Let's go. Let's go. Lift, right, lift, right, lift, right, lift. Lift, right, lift, right, lift, right, lift. Oh, I am giving you something. I am giving you, yeah? A foot porn. There you go. I've got it in selfie mode, so I hope you can see it. Idiot. Let's keep going. Let's go up to the top now. I'm going to keep you with us a little bit longer, so my wifey Helen doesn't have to do as much editing. You can hear how unfit I am with my out of breath breathing. But I have managed to run a few weeks straight. We nearly went then. We nearly went. Stunning. Time of my life. Don't want to bore you too much. Come back in a bit, alright? Time is running away this evening, so I'm gonna have to run at the top there now and try and film you guys at the same time. Hopefully it pays off, alright? Wish me luck. I say run, jog. One foot in front of the other, a little bit far. Oh, there's a ram. Cut the rams. Ram you. May your sheep be true. Hello. Yeah, beauty. I have to stop and bloody take a photo of these guys. Some more facts for you now, guys. You can see in the distance, that is Broughton Bay. Broughton Bay Blue Pool. I don't know why they call it Broughton Bay Blue Pool. Me and Helen went there last year. Nice little beach, but the walk down was pretty tough. The beach here at Llangennef is quite tough if you know you struggle a bit. But yeah, it's a beautiful part of the world. I'm sure you'll all agree with me. Stunning, and in that direction, about 20 miles, you got Swansea, which is a city apparently. Used to be the capital city because it didn't have any cathedral. It's not. So Cardiff is standing for capital. That's what we got over here then. Any nice views up here? Well, that's alright. William's Head looks alright there, doesn't it? Birdie flying over. So I think we're in this is Rhossili now. Llangennef is like one half of the beach. Well, Rhossili might be over there actually. Get your facts right again, Nick. Let's zoom you out a bit. But I think we're gonna walk up. Well, I think this is the spot. Yeah, we're gonna take you guys up a little bit further, and then I'll get the drone out. Then look at all them swimmers in there still. Gone 7 o'clock in the evening. Loads of them. I wonder how they'll react when I fly a drone over them. Yeah, if you want to see stuff like that, go to Sims Drones, guys. Obviously there's a bit we keep for you on this channel on the Wild Welsh, but if you want to see more longer extended videos, Sims Drones, pop over there, guys. I'm not as big as the Wild Welsh, but I'm looking to get a little bit bigger. You know, give the Wild Welsh a run for their money. Them guys, you know. Let's get to the top here. Let's give you some sheep on the way up, and let's go a little bit further and then get a drone out. Let's run again, shall we? Oh, what's that hovering over there? Here we go, we might see some kites today. They could well be kites, man. Look at that. There's Rhossili down there for you. The little village of Rhossili in the background. Be alright to live there, wouldn't it? Bit barren in the winter though, I imagine. Apologies for the guys, for the wind. We got mics now, but we just can't get it to work. We don't do technology. If anyone wants to be like a technology director and work for peanuts, nothing, you know, drop it in the comments, guys, because we can do with you, because we just suck at technology. We're not gonna lie. I hope you can do this. Let's keep going now. I didn't come this way before. There must be some sort of, I don't know what that is down there. That's quite interesting. What that used to be. Drop it in the comments if you know, guys. Yeah, last time I done this walk, it was like along that little poxy thing down there. Today I decided to come up the top on I'm sure you guys don't mind though, it's not bad, is it? Look at that. Let's go a little bit further up to the top. Let's see what we can see from there. I'm not going to stand on this because I'll blow over. But that's not bad, is it? I think it might be a bit too gusty for my drone though. It's not supposed to be, but I think it might be. I hope I don't have any bad news to give you guys. Alright, nice one. Okay guys, something you guys haven't seen before from me is the drone about to take off in quite strong gusts. I don't know how successful it's going to be, but this is our little setup, all ready to go. Alright, let's see what we can do here then. I'm going to try multitasking. I absolutely suck at multitasking, so I'm going to give it my best shot, alright? Here we go then. Let's zoom in a bit on this baby. Up she goes.
Home point updated.
There you go, there you go. Oh, this ain't promising. Yeah, this is yeah, that nice. I'm just means it's too close. There she is, guys. That's full glory. Let's go. That for itself. Yeah, baby, it's fun now, video. So as expected, we've had the dreaded strong wind warning. Basically, I'm not going to be able to give you what I wanted to tonight, but I'm going to try and give you some good shots. They're just not going to be great shots, as good as they can be. Unfortunately, if I did this yesterday, would have been a problem. It was barely any wind around yesterday, but unfortunately, get you some shots though, guys. Don't worry about that. Just to get you some shots, don't worry. Alright. Houston, we have a problem. Houston, we have a problem. Strong wind warning. Get the motherfucker down. Get the motherfucker down. Unable to return to home. Get the motherfucker down. Let's get it down. Shit. See what I'm doing? This is when droning all goes wrong. You want excitement? You got excitement. Excuse the spirit. Right, here she comes. Yes. On her way. There you go. There we go. I'm not going to be able to see it though. But yeah, I should be able to see it on here now. Here she comes. Right, down. There she is. There's the beauty. There's beauty. Hey, baby. You alright, love? Yeah? It's fucking blowy up there for you, isn't it, sunshine? Here's Toads. We get it to turn swimming around first. Here we go. Yeah, it's a bit blowy, a bit risky to be flying some equipment like this on a day like today, but I'm a madman. What can I say? You want action? You got action. You got it. Say hello to Toads. Say hello to my little friend. Hello. Being a new drone, I haven't fully got the grips of my Toad yet. It's a lot more complicated than my last one. Now that the bloody land as well. It's a bit blowy and it won't let me land there, so we're going to try and get it down now. So let's have it. There you go, you got a sunset in the background view. What more do you want? Try and get it to come down here though, alright? This is a bit more stable. You want action? You got it. Right. Come on, Toad. Come over here then. See if I'm skilled enough pilot to film, do both. Come on then. Come on then, Toadie, come down. Come on then, come down. Come on. Come on then.
Landing.
Yay! We got it! Ooh! Drama, what drama? So I'm going to take a couple of shots now at the top of the cliff. As you saw, there's some beautiful views. And I'm going to get back in. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed this little vlog. Alright, it's been a bit dramatic. It's been a bit scenic. And there's contained a nutter in it as well, so you know, so good, isn't it? Alright, cheers guys, thanks for the support and thanks for watching. Oh, they're gonna take me on then.